Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Matt. I'm just a dude.
My name's Vivian, and today we're going to show you how to make an LED light wreath.
So stay tuned. If you choose to recreate anything that is shown on this video or any of my videos, you assume all liability, which could result in injury or death. Now that we got that out of the way, we're moving forward. What we used to build this project was a 20-inch wire wreath frame, which I purchased from Walmart, a strand of 50 colored Christmas lights, which I purchased from Home Depot. You're going to need at least 52 zip ties or some other way to attach the wire and the lights to the frame. I chose to use the smaller zip ties because they're easier to secure around little things, which would be the wires and the light housings. We also use a set of wire cutters to cut the excess zip tie off. This is made up of 4 round wire strands, which are held together with these pieces of wire that kind of act like cross members, which go across all the strands and hold them together. What these cross members, if you will, do is they divide this into 10 sections. And this works out perfectly for 50 lights because we're going to put 2 lights in one section, 3 lights in the next, and then go 2 lights in one section and 3 in the next, and go all the way around the outer wire and then the inner wire like this. First step was to take the lights out of the packaging and straighten them out so they're straight as possible to try and get the kinks and the curls that are packaged with them out. Once we got that done, all you got to do is take one end of the lights, whether it be the male or female end, it doesn't matter, and zip tie it to one of these cross members. We have that wire zip tied to that intersecting point where the round wire and the cross member meet. I chose to go up underneath the frame and push the wires through the bottom so all the wire stays on the back side of the wreath. And then you just zip tie the Christmas lights onto the wire. Put 2 lights in the first section and then go underneath that cross member and then put 3. And then go underneath the other cross member and then put 2 more. And then go all the way around till that circle's complete. And then we skipped over to the outer ring and then we did the same thing until we went all the way around the circle and it was complete. Now a little tip to get these zip ties on the light housings as tight as you possibly can. These Christmas lights are a little bit narrower at the bottom than they are at the top where the light pushes it. So I put the zip tie around the bottom of the light housing, got as tight as I could there, and then pulled it up to the top to get it super tight, and it held all the lights in perfectly. After everything's zip tied in place, we just cut the excess zip ties off, and it's time to hang it outside. Like I said before, I got this material at Home Depot and Walmart, but if you just want to have it shipped to you, links for all this stuff is below. If you'd like to see how I built the LED Christmas trees, click the link above. And that's how we built our outdoor LED light wreath. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it helps you out.
And make sure to subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
And please like and subscribe, so stay tuned.
Once again, my name's Matt. I'm just a dude.
And my name's Vivian. If we can't fix it, we'll fix it so nobody else can.
Thanks for watching.